Hi Stampers! Today I have this beautiful Christmas card using Winter Woods, and it also comes with In the Woods framelits. You can purchase this as a bundle and save 10%. Also we'll be using the message from Stylish Christmas. Both of these are in the holiday catalog, and we'll be using the row of trees, the Christmas tree, the tree bark, and Thinking of You this season. So first off, you're going to need, for your card base, is 5.5 by 8.5 Night of Navy, scored at 4 1/4. Your inside is 4 by 5 1/4 of regular Whisper White. From the galvanized metallic paper, which is in the holiday catalog, you'll need 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. From the Whisper White shimmery cardstock, which I hope you can see the shimmer, this is 4 by 5 1/4. Also from the shimmer white cardstock, you'll need a piece 3.5 by 4, and I'll be showing you how to get this layer of snow cover. So let's get started. First off, from the framelits, it'll come with this curved framelit. Measure up 1.5 inches on your 3.5 by 4 shimmery white cardstock, and layering it on to the 1.5 inches. Go ahead and cut it, run it through the Big Shot, and you'll end up with, it'll look like this when it comes out, but actually turn the back piece and you'll have both the pieces. So we'll stamp first Night of Navy. The message we'll be using then on what will be the front part of our snow cover. And we'll set that aside. Next we're going to do a little bit of masking. And we're just going to, it's 1.5 inches circle punch with some temporary tape on the back. I think I got mine at Walmart. Just go ahead, lay that there. You're going to want to protect your surface. And with one of the Stampin' Sponges, you'll get 6 wedges out of one sponge. So we're going to be using Smoky Slate. You're going to sponge off and then come into your cardstock. And this will just keep it kind of faint gray. And this does take a little while. So I'll kind of hurry it up. You don't have to go all the way to the bottom because that will be covered with our snow cover. Just do this side quick. Okay, then we're going to remove our circle. And next we're going to be using the tree bark. And again with the smoky slate. We're just going to randomly put that in about 3 spots. Okay, now our row of trees with the smoky slate. We're going to start up in the circle that we masked around. And you can bring it up and do one more row. And we're going to go ahead and mount this onto our Night and Navy and our galvanized metallic paper. And I like using liquid adhesive. It allows me a little bit more time to make any adjustments if needed. And it doesn't take a whole lot of the liquid adhesive. And you're going to have a very narrow border going around. With the bone folder, we're going to go ahead and burnish our score line well. We'll go ahead and mount this on. With dimensionals, go ahead and put our snowy ground cover together. And we'll mount that on the back piece. Lining the edges up in the bottom. And again, with dimensionals. Lining it up, bottom and sides. So this is what we have. Now with the shaded spruce and a scrap of Whisper White, we're going to go ahead and stamp and cut out the Christmas tree. Isn't that pretty? Okay, now we'll be using from In the Woods framelits this Christmas tree. Framelit, lining it up. And running it through the Big Shot. But to save time for the video, I already have that step done. So on the front of the card, because we use dimensionals behind these two pieces, you're going to want to put an adhesive here, and we'll be putting our dimensionals up towards the center and top. Okay, and then just on the bottom part of the snow cover, but not covering up our message, we're just going to lay our tree. Now we'll go ahead and do the inside. And our message is from Stylish Christmas. May the beauty and joy of this season fill your heart. We're going to go ahead and protect our surface, and plus I want to stamp on a piece of scrap to make sure that my stamp is lined up. That looks good. Now with the Night of Navy, we're going to go ahead and stamp the inside. Looks good. Now we're going to add part of the Christmas tree to the side. Again, using the shaded spruce. I like adding a little bit of something inside the card instead of just the message. You're only going to do just part of it. Go ahead and put that on the inside and we'll be done. It's a very fast card, but a very elegant card. Okay, there they both are. Thank you for joining me today and popping in, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Have a great day. Bye.